Race car driver Rachel here. I'm taking a break from the track today to figure out how to answer some questions I have using variables and equations. When solving equations, I always keep in mind the order of operations, PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Here's my first problem. It takes 43 gallons of gas to complete a race. The first 2 laps, I use 12 gallons each. The last lap, I drive faster and use up the rest of the gas. How many gallons of gas do I use on the last lap? I write an equation with a variable to figure this out. The first piece of information I know is, it takes a total of 43 gallons to complete a race. That will be my total, and all the other values combined will equal 43. So I write the equal sign. The next piece of information is, for the first 2 laps, I use 12 gallons each. I represent that with the expression 2 times 12. 2 laps with 12 gallons each. The last piece of information is that the rest of the gas is used on the last lap. I don't know how much gas was used, so that is the variable. The variable is a letter that represents an unknown value. I add the variable g to represent the gas used in the last lap. This equation will help me determine how many gallons of gas I used in the last lap. The 43 gallons equals 2 laps times 12 gallons each plus g, the amount of gas used on the last lap. When I solve, I will multiply first, and then add according to the order of operations. I have one more problem to write an equation with a variable for. I bought 38 cupcakes for my victory party. I have 7 crewmates to share the cupcakes equally with, but I want to have 3 cupcakes to take home for my puppy. What equation can I write to see how many cupcakes each crew member will receive? Let's write that equation with a variable. The total number of cupcakes equals 38, so I write 38 and an equal sign. The rest of the cupcakes will combine to equal 38. Next, I know I have 7 crewmates to share the same amount of cupcakes with. I don't know how many each will receive, so that will be my variable, c. I write 7 times c to represent that each of the 7 crewmates will receive the same amount of cupcakes. Finally, I want 3 extra to take home to my puppy, so I will add the digit 3. The equation 38 equals 7 times c plus 3 will help me figure out how many cupcakes each crew member will receive. I know I will multiply and then add according to the order of operations. Time to go eat some cupcakes. See you later.